Hello everyone, this is Helen from ADSS company. ADSS we established in 2005. With the development over the past 13 years, ADSS becomes the biggest manufacturer of all kinds of beauty machines in China now. And we do the worldwide market. Iran is a special market for us. We have been doing this market over 5 years, and more than hundreds of machines sold to the Iran market. But to open the Iran market better, we are invited by the firm to come here for the workshop. It is my first time to come to Iran, and my experience is perfect here. We had a 3-day workshop here from May 21st to 23rd. During the 3 days, we shared some experience about the delta laser hair removal machine, high full fractional CO2 laser, and some kind of slimming machines. During the 3 days, we not only trained the clients how to do the operation, but we also shared some experience how to get the best result. From the feedback of all the doctors, they are very happy about the result during the workshop. And personally, I'm really honored and to be happy to have this kind of workshop, to share my experience and to share my company with the doctors here in Iran. And especially for the 3 days workshop, especially thank the director of FEMA, Mr. Rafael. Thank you. After this workshop, I think ADSS and the FEMA will have a better cooperation in this line, and we can work together to serve the Iran market better, and we conquer the market. Thank you.